What the heck is up, you guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Today, I am doing a half set. Is that even what it's called? Does anyone actually know what it's called? Perla, look up the half set, please. I need to know what it's called. And dear God, I've come to you in a time of need. I need to know what a half set is. Either way, I hope it's real. I hope that's the actual name. This is what I'm trying to mimic, duplicate, whatever you want to say. Something similar to this. A little flick, a little flare action. We're gonna try our best. I've never done this before. Today I am doing this half set on a past client of mine, Megan. She trusts me. Is that a good thing? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Okay, a lot of you guys always ask questions. You be asking questions about easiest way to place a foam tape. I will show you. It's the easiest thing in the world. You take your freshly cut piece of foam tape. I like to take my middle finger and I like to hold the skin a little taut down here. I place middle first. Then I place outer. Go to close again. Beautiful. Once it is closed, you can readjust your foam tape as needed. So I'm just gonna lift this corner a little bit here. Beautiful, easy, amazing. Okay, go ahead, open for me again. I'm gonna place the other just the same way, right at the water line. Perfect, good close. Beautiful. Now Megan has these long, super healthy lashes. She's been taking a break from extensions for quite a while now, and has been snorting lash serum. According to what I see, she's been snorting lash serum, so good for her. These are nice, long, strong, and beautiful. Okay, for this half set, I noticed that the map starts towards the end of the iris and then goes out from there. We're not placing any lashes on the inside, just the end of the iris out. So that's what I'm gonna map on Megan. Okay. Okay, good close. Beautiful. Okay, I'm now priming my client with a secret Krabby Patty formula. I like to bend my micro swabs. And I like to cover the tops and the bottom of the natural lash. Done. I mean, technically, I only had to prime this part of it, but hey, let's just prime all of them. You never know what's gonna happen. Pro tip, when shaking your adhesive, you're gonna wanna take the cap off of it, like so, place an adhesive wipe on top of it, and shake. You wanna keep the nozzle portion clean. Once it starts to cure in the nozzle, it's gonna start to slowly cure the rest of your bottle. A squeaky clean nozzle is best practice. Today I'm using our 0.03 M curl lashes. I love them, they're pretty, it sounds nice. Wow, look at them. Now with doing my research for the half set, I can't believe I have glue all over my finger, guys. This is so embarrassing. Don't look at it. We start with a very short length of lashes, and then we're gonna flare out into a cat eye, or a fox eye, if you will. So that's what we're gonna do. For my map here, on the outer dot of the iris, I'm gonna start with 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s, 11s, and we're gonna go back to a 10. Perhaps a 9. 9 question mark. We're gonna do 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, back down to 10. And like I said, 9 question mark. Because I might stick a 9 there. I don't know. We are freestyling today, you guys. You're on this journey with me. Even with M curl, I like to brush these babies out. They're going to fan like butter. Okay, I'm gonna take my first little baby fan. Attach her right on. I'm gonna go ahead and angle the lashes out this way, guys, to give it more of a flared look. That's at least what I'm noticing in my inspo pic, is that they're kind of angled out. So that is what I am also going to do. Again, you guys, we are working from here out. Here out. For this half set, if that's even its real name. Okay, guys, perfect example. I've got 2 lash extensions stuck together. Happens to everybody. You're not a terrible lash artist if lash extensions get stuck together. You just want to make sure you go through and remove the ones, or detach the ones, detangle them, if you will. All you do, hold on to one extension, hold on to the other, and you're going to gently pop them apart. Bam. Just like that, honey. Well, this one wasn't attached properly, so it just yeeted itself, so that's okay. Beautiful thing about the Everywhere adhesive is the consistency that it dries to allows you to just peel extensions apart rather than like a concrete consistency. You can quite literally flawlessly peel these babies apart rather than just absolutely yeeting someone's natural lash out of their eyeball. Anywho, okay, thanks for coming back after that brief intermission. I have magically already done one eye and the other eye. Now, I will explain what I have learned with this set. It was a learning process for me from the beginning to the end here. Where I marked her iris on the outside, you want to go a little further in on the iris. So probably 1/3 of the way in on the iris. And you want to make lighter, less dense fans so that it almost has this ombre effect out. I did throw in some 12s. So the highest I went up to was 11. I threw in a couple 12s where I marked the 11s at, where I mapped those 11s. I think it gave it a nice flick flare at the end, and then I tapered back down with my 11s. I ended up not using the 10s. So that is what I have learned on this journey. I did also use a mirror so I can kind of make sure that it's flaring and flicking the best way possible. You may end up loving these half sets. You may absolutely hate them. I think it came out pretty cool. Megan hasn't had lashes for a while, so I thought it would be a good transition in from a half set rather than, wowed volume, mega volume set. So I am going to bond her lashes with a secret Krabby Patty formula. I'm not really bonding them, Megan. I'm just going to pretend bond them. I'm going to bond her lashes with a top secret Krabby Patty formula. Again, I have bent the tip of my micro swab, and I'm just going to gently pat the bases here. Very good. How to properly gently remove a foam tape, your iPad, if you will. I'm going to hold the skin taut. I'm going to lift up this corner here. I'm just going to gently peel off. Wow, pain-free. Was that so pain-free, Megan?
It's amazing.
See? Told you. It's foolproof. Hi, you guys. Welcome freaking back. Here is Megan. You guys didn't see who I was talking about earlier, but now you do. And here's our final look. we've just got this nice little half set. It just looks like a nice little flare, like almost like a little eyeliner effect. I think it's cool. Will I ever do it again? I don't know. Perhaps on request. But I think it's great. I think it's really cool you can easily ease in your clients with a half set. It's cool. It's foreign. You know, it's hip. It's cool. It's what's in right now. But yes, I love it. I think it looks really freaking cool. Yeah, so if you have any requests on any type of certain set you want me to do, leave it below in the comments. Harass me on Instagram. Find my Facebook. Whatever way, pigeon carrier me. Let me know what you guys want me to do or what you need help with. But yeah, thank you so much, Megan, for being here today.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, well, until next time, sweeties, love you so much.